Hi everyone, I'm Marshal Carper. Welcome back to Marketing Monday. If you've been watching my videos, if you've read my books or my blog posts, you know that I'm a huge fan of testing in marketing and advertising. So instead of blowing your budget really big on a campaign right out of the gate, you can test a lot of the components that you think might be effective going into that with smaller spends and smaller initiatives before you make that big investment. A lot of times those lessons you learn along the way can change the direction of that campaign, but it makes it much more effective in the long run. One of the problems I often see though, when clients start going down this path or brands start going down this path of doing testing to determine what they should be doing in their marketing, is they don't establish a point where they're going to stop testing. Because if testing is a way to decide what you want to do, at some point you have to actually do the thing. So you can't get caught in a loop of, okay, we're going to test this, then we're going to test this, then we're going to test this, and oh, now we're having some doubts, so let's test this instead. When you start doing a test on your marketing and advertising, you need to pick the point of, okay, once we learn this thing, we're either going to move this direction or move this direction. If you don't put that into place, you can kind of catch yourself where you never get out of the point of ideating and testing and gathering data and analyzing data. Get into analysis paralysis, essentially, because it's scary to make a big initiative. It's scary to make a big bet. So prevent yourself from doing that from the get-go by understanding at what point you stop testing and you actually launch the campaign. What question do you need to answer? What data do you need to see? And once you do that, stop testing, do the thing, and then move on. Because otherwise, nothing interesting is going to happen for your brand because you're never actually going to do anything big. So I hope that helps. I'll see you next week.